How to change password in Yahoo Mail. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'm going to guide you on how you can change your password in Yahoo Mail, so make sure to watch the video till the end. Now, changing your password in Yahoo Mail is fairly simple. You just go ahead and then launch the Yahoo Mail application here, and then you will see this type of interface. Then just tap on the profile icon from the top left of the screen here, and then simply go to this option here known as manage accounts. Under manage accounts, if you look here, you'll find one of the option that says account info. So make sure to just tap the account info button there, and once you tap on the account info option, just go to this option called security, and then just go ahead and then verify with your biometrics. Over here you'll find the option called password, and it says change password. So here you can tap the change password option. Now you don't have to enter your old password, luckily. You just have to enter the new password you want to change to. Be careful on this one, and then just make sure to tap the I button, tap and continue, and your Yahoo Mail password will get successfully changed. This way you can change your Yahoo password in Yahoo Mail. Hope this video was helpful. If you have got any questions, then feel free to also leave them down below. Thank you for watching till the end of this tutorial, and see you soon in the next video.